Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable Talkback on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to do that, first we need to open the settings. So let's go to settings. Now here we need to find accessibility settings, which should be over here. And then here at the top we can find Talkback. If we tap on it, then we can enable Talkback by tapping on this slider. Then we will need to allow controls over the device for the Talkback app. So let's do that. Let's allow, and there we go. It should work now. We might also see some information about the Talkback, some welcome messages, and we can simply close it. There we go, and then we can close once again. You might need to tap it twice in order to proceed. So let's allow, and there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.